I'm Reese Elliott with Ernst Manufacturing. Today I'll be going over how to do an oil change on your Harley Davidson with the Ernst Manufacturing oil change funnel. Today I'll be doing an oil change on my 2007 Harley Softail Deluxe. Everyone with a Harley knows that when doing an oil change, especially when taking out your oil filter, always makes a huge mess. Everybody's tried the standard stuffing rags under the filter and taking little trays and bending them to fit under the filter, and it never works and it still makes a mess. Tools you'll need: ratcheting wrench, extension, sockets, and hammer. The included items are nail, tube, and oil funnel. Now let's get in the oil change and I'll show you how it works. We're going to start by pulling the drain plug and draining the oil out of the oil bag. You want to make sure to pull your oil fill cap to help drain faster. While you're waiting for that to drain, we can go ahead and get the oil filter set up. In my case, to get around my floorboards, I'm going to be using the supplied hose to make sure I reach the pan without any drips. Get your funnel lined up under your filter and your hose into your pan. Now with your hammer and the supplied nail, we're going to punch 2 holes in the oil filter to let it drain. Punch a hole in the top. Let it drain. Rotate the filter 180 degrees. Punch 1 more hole. While that oil filter drains, we can go ahead and put our plug back in. Now we can quickly remove the oil filter, and because of the funnel, we have very little mess. Now we'll take a little bit of oil and rub it on the O-ring to help make a good seal. Now we can go ahead and tighten on the oil filter, hand tight as per spec. Now with the filters changed and the plugs back in, we can go ahead and fill her back up with the oil funnel. According to the manufacturer, this bike takes 3 to 3.5 quarts, and we'll be using 20W50. What was once a messy process is now made quick, easy, and clean thanks to the Ernst Oil Filter Funnel. All our products are designed, tested, and manufactured in-house at Sandy, Oregon. We take pride in having the original patent on this oil funnel. All our products are manufactured in the USA, come with a lifetime guarantee. To find this product and more, go to ernstmfg.com.